The first technology that I'm going to present is called ThingLink. My audience for this video is for students. The objective with ThingLink would be students will be able to summarize the text using visual representation. My two ISTE standards would be ISTE 5A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. And then ISTE 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. Here I'm going to show ThingLink. On ThingLink, this is something that can be used within any browser. I started here an image, so an example of this would be, for example, in my guided reading groups, I have students read a section of the text and then I'll say, represent what you read using an image and then provide more information within that image. So I think ThingLink is a great way to use that. Here is an image that I uploaded. One of the books we're reading right now is Where the Red Fern Grows. So students may, for their section of reading, think that a picture of an oak tree represents what they have read. So I uploaded the image of the oak tree. And now I can edit this image and you can add tags to the image. So, for example, I could add a tag here. And if you see on my left-hand side, I can add various things to this tag. I have found a website about hunting raccoons, which obviously ties well in with Where the Red Fern Grows. So I can copy that link here, and it's going to link that text. And then here it provides text to go along with it. So I could leave that text to go with it, or I could just reword it and say raccoon hunting information. And then I could save that. And then I could share this image. I could also add many more links to it, but share the image and then others can use my image to go figure out more information or to see my thinking on this provided section of text. My students love using this, whether it be for guided reading or social studies or science, whatever it may be. They enjoy creating that image and then finding other things to go along with it.